children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will learn about possessives. Let's learn. Read the following conversation. Atul, is this your dog? Suman, no, it's Simran's dog. Atul, are these Simran's books? Suman, no, they are Reena's books. Atul, is this Blackie's ball? Suman, yes, it is. Simran's dog means that the dog belongs to Simran. Reena's books means that the book belongs to Reena. Books किसकी हैं? रीना की. Dog किसका है? सिमरन का. Blackie's ball means ball belongs to Blackie. All these sentences show that we add S to the name of a person, Simran, Reena, or an animal, Blackie, to show that something belongs to them. Means कि ये चीज़ें किससे belong करती हैं? इन person से belong करती हैं. We add S only with the name of a person and animal. केवल person का या animal का name होगा तब हम उस S को use करेंगे, apostrophe S को. And sometimes a country, country का भी कभी-कभी हो जाता है नाम, but not with any abstract thing. Abstract thing के साथ नहीं करेंगे. For example, Sneha's house. This is correct sentence. House's roof. No, it's wrong. Roof of the house. Yes, it's correct. Girls' books. Correct. School's building. No, it's wrong. Building of a school. This is the correct way. Now read the following sentences. This is our house. This house is ours. This is your house. This is our house. This house is ours. This is your car. This car is yours. This is my book. This book is mine. That is his car. That car is his. This is her pen. This pen is hers. That is their ball. That ball is theirs. The words my, our, your, his, her, its and their tell us that something belongs to someone. क्या शो करते हैं? ये कुछ ये जो चीज़ें हैं ये चीज़ें किसी से belong करती हैं. These words go before nouns and are called possessives. ये noun से पहले use होती हैं और क्या शो करती हैं? Possessiveness. Right? The word and color in the above sentences also tell us that something belongs to someone. These are not followed by nouns. They are also called possessives. ये भी जो है possessive में ही होती हैं. Now study this table to understand possessives. Now pronouns I, we, you. Possessives followed by nouns my, our, your. Now possessives not followed by nouns mine, ours, yours. Now pronouns he, she, it, they. Possessives followed by nouns his, her, its, their. Possessives not followed by nouns his, hers and theirs. I hope आपको ये clear हुआ होगा. Now this is your exercise. You have to practice it.